This graph shows the distribution of gender in a fictional society where traditional gender roles are strongly enforced by societal pressure and/or legislation. 0 to 4 are classified as women, and 6 to 10 are classified as men. You'll note that the graph is bimodal, with roughly half of the population being female, the left peak, and the other half being male, the right peak. Because this society enforces strict gender roles, there is a flat between the two peaks along the orange line, as people conform outwardly to what is expected of them. In societies where gender roles are not as rigidly defined, you would expect small hills or a higher raised flat between the peaks. Someone who is transgender and experiences dysphoria might, for example, fall at 3 along the blue line, so they internally associate with the traits and preferences that make them a woman, but they fall at 8 along the orange line. So society perceives them as a man because of their primary sex characteristics at birth, reinforced by their secondary sex characteristics throughout their lifetime. Someone who is non-binary might, for example, fall on a 2 on the orange line in this society, while they might fall on a 5 for the blue line. In a society that does not rigidly enforce gender roles, they might fall on a 5 for both the blue and the orange lines. While the outward presentation of gender roles may be an approximation of traits and preferences, roles themselves are not gender. Gender is at the intersection between the internal perception and outward presentation of traits and preferences.